Today on Southern Gardening, we are exploring a charming backyard garden that beautifully blends structure, texture, and color in the shady landscape. This garden makes smart use of elevation with natural stone steps, guiding you through the layers of lush greenery and blooming color. Here, Encore azaleas provide bright pops of color nestled among shade-loving perennials. A variegated yucca adds striking foliage contrast with its sword-like leaves edged in yellow. It's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and adds year-round interest to the edge of this planting. Further down the slope, ornamental variegated grass brings movement, visual interest, and fine texture, especially when paired with bold summer bloomers like black-eyed Susans. These cheerful golden flowers brighten up the edge of the path and attract pollinators throughout the warm season. And at the heart of the garden lies a tranquil water feature. The sound of falling water cascading over the stones brings peace and calm to the space. Pickerelweed and other water-loving plants add lushness and help filter the water naturally, making this both a beautiful and functional garden feature. While lush tropical-style plantings of bananas and hydrangeas thrive in the dappled shade. This backyard garden is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can transform a challenging slope into a layered paradise. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.